Hello, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to everyone. Maayong hapon, maayong udto, o maayong gabi kaninyong tanan mga iring banban. Welcome back sa akong YouTube channel. Hello, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning to everyone. Maayong hapon, maayong udto, o maayong gabi kaninyong tanan mga iring banban. Welcome back sa akong YouTube channel. Nandito tayo sa shop ng pit shop mga iring banbanon. Ano? What was the name? So, you can tell the whole Dubai you're selling in your. So I'll buy my cut. My friend, where's you have brush for the hair?
Yes, I have. Sorry.
It will lost like.
That is good on your sir.
So how much that one?
This one is good one. This is good quality. This one is pressing after is removing.
How much this one, my friend? So I'll try to buy this one for my key one, no? And Leah also, I don't know what they like. So I don't know, this is the brush for the long hair. So I'm trying to buy for my cat. So come and visit here in Fish Market. They're located, the shop is located from Fish Market. What's the name again? Sorry.
It's Pets Land Shop.
It's Pets, yeah, so you can buy everything here in this shop.
Yeah.
So it's very cheap and affordable. Come and visit now. So there are a lot of like, yeah, foods and everything, the shampoos, whatever you have, you want, come and visit here. My friend, do you have harness?
Yes, sir.
For the cat?
Yeah.
You try. So now I'm trying to buy the special harness for my cat.
Now how many months of the cat? Now how many months your cat?
Now it's 1 year.
1 year?
So I wanna bring them outside. So ayan, ito yung mga ano. So ito yung bahay-bahay. Kung gusto ninyo, ma-earring. I have this one. And I have, Kelly bought this one also. And this one. How much this one? I have bird.
Yeah, this one is only cheapest price. It's normally 200, but now offer for 180 only. 180 after
180.
discount 170 for last price.
So I want my
This is
bird.
stand also cover.
Wow, very good. I'm scared if my cat will.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can buy here, no, mga iling. So marami silang pagkain dito. Yeah. Uwi na ako, so bumili na ako ng gamit ng sa harness ng cat, tapos at saka yung nail cutter niya nakabili ako doon, so ang layo dito. So punta muna tayo sa labas, hanapin natin yung for taxi. So dito siguro my friend, where's for taxi? This way. So thank you so much, and yeah, and please subscribe my channel, Irene.
Where going?
I'm going to Riga.
Okay.
How much?
25.
No, the taxi is 25. I pay only 15 dirhams.
Walang pera, utang na lang. Ba't 125?
But it's only 15, my friend, from here to the
But you
Riga.
check, maybe they're not.
Oh, there's more.
They will not bring the something.
No, say hi to my vlog.
Hi, how are
Yeah,
you?
please subscribe my channel.
Yeah, subscribe
So
the
I'm
channel.
Yes,
Inshallah.
inshallah. So, dinala niya yung mga ano mga si Kuya. So ayan. So thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel mga iring banbanon. And punos kasakit o punos kalipay, ichika mo ilaglag natin. Shalala, bye-bye! So ayan ang driver ko. Si Kuya. So ayan. Ito yung shop. Ayan. Nagrampa-rampa si Lola. Ayan ang driver ko mairing. So mga iring banbanon na agyapon ni karon gabi una sa saan pangalan dito? Walkers Restaurant in Rega near Metro Station. So mo na akong mga iring mga shopa taga Dumaguete, taga Davao, taga Pasay, no? The winner Miss Universe Pasay City. Naaya.
Isa ko mang, Bia Words
Monica,
back. Sige.
Cagayan de Oro, ang babaeng
Giro. Ma'am, ang giro.
yes, mga iring. So punta kayo dito sa Walkers near sa Metro Station at Rega. So mo siya akong mga barkada sa Rega. Mga Bisaya, mga Bisayan dagko, mga iring banbanon. Mo siya magkasama sa iring nga giti-giti. Una ipit. Muna siya mga shopa. Ito mo siya pinakagwafa. Ang mabaling mujer. Sa mga oras, sa mga na sa mga lugar mga iring banpanon, punos ka sakit o punos ka lipay. I-chika mo, ilaglag natin.
Ilaglag mo yan.
Shalala, bye-bye. God bless everyone. Thank you for your subscribe, mga iring banbanon. Bye!